Stop scrolling. Imagine this. Tonight, everything you know about the universe could be wrong. What if every star, every atom, every thought in your head is not just random, but part of a plan? Or maybe it's all a coincidence.
Welcome to The Big Question. With us tonight, Dr. Hamed, a Muslim philosopher, and Arman, a physicist who doesn't believe in God. Let's begin with a verse from the Quran that Dr. Hamed says is one of the most logical arguments for God's existence.
The verse says, "Were they created from nothing? Or were they themselves the creators? Or did they create the heavens and the earth? No, they have no certainty." Quran 52:35-36. It's a simple but deep question. If you exist, there are only a few logical options. You came from nothing. Impossible, because nothing produces nothing. You created yourself. Also impossible, because you can't exist before you exist. Therefore, something beyond you must have created you. This verse invites us to think logically, not just believe blindly. Even modern physics can't explain why the universe exists, only how it behaves.
I respect that logic, but it's based on old ideas about nothing. In modern physics, nothing isn't empty. It's a field of energy that can create particles. The universe could have come from quantum fluctuations without a conscious creator. Also, saying we don't know, so it must be God, is not proof. It's a God of the gaps argument. Every time we didn't understand something, lightning, disease, the planets, we said God did it. But science later explained them. So maybe one day science will explain the universe's beginning too.
To Dr. Hamed, if God created everything, who created God? And why can't the laws of physics be eternal, just like you say God is?
To Arman. But if the universe came from quantum laws, where did those laws come from? And can random energy truly create consciousness and moral awareness?
Science explains the mechanism of creation, not the source. The laws of physics are descriptions, not causes. Behind every law, there must be a lawgiver.
Or maybe nature itself is enough. Maybe we don't need a designer, only time, chance, and natural laws. The beauty of science is that it keeps asking questions, not just accepting answers.
Maybe the universe is a grand equation waiting to be solved, or maybe it's a message waiting to be read. What do you believe?
Until the next video, we've shown you the perspectives of both Muslims and atheists. If you want to explore more and get unbiased, informative insights about all religions with the help of AI, make sure to subscribe and check out our channel. We really have a variety of educational videos about different religions that you won't want to miss.